He used to laugh and call him names. They'd never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your cock so small, let me just touch one of your balls.
Oh, you're cray. I'm putting this on YouTube and we'll get 1 million hits. So why don't you go get Rudolph and tell him to suck my dick? Oh my god, that was so inappropriate.